Hello there. Have you ever wanted to witness a real-life application from FIGMA, a graphic design application, to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you don't end there? You go to PHP and the database management system. Well, this series is for you. The name of the series is The Tunnel. This is where I will take the user interface that you see and then I will design it from FIGMA, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the database management system. In the process, I will be applying good programming practices like design pattern and the solid principle. This is worth mentioning that this user interface is not my own user interface. This is something that I've picked up online. So if you might be interested, if you like this work and you're interested in working with the designer, well, here is the name of the designer. You can search him on the internet. Let's check if there are some emails. Here are the emails also. As you might know by now that at Coded Design, we are not interested in taking other people's work and pretend if it's ours. The reason why I decided to take a random user interface from the internet, also I will suggest that at some point you do the same thing when you have a chance. The reason is when you are designing your own user interface and translate it to HTML and also to a real life application, you always come up with the scope of what you are conscious of. You always design something that you can produce. I wanted to take a user interface that has been done by someone else so that first of all I can know and be confident on my front end skills that I can take a user interface that has not been designed by me and translate into code and eventually a real life application. So this is the user interface that we are going to take. I'm going to divide this whole big project into small chunks. I'm not going to design the whole layout on Figma because that the course or the series is going to be design concentrated. So I'm going to design the first screen as the login screen and then translate it to HTML and then take it to PHP and the database. So without wasting time, let's just jump straight into Figma. So Figma is a graphic design or prototyping tool that runs on the website. So if you want to use Figma, you just go to www.figma.com and register. So this is where we are now. This is just the picture that we saw on the previous page. So in the next video, we are going to jump straight to it and do the design. And also in the meantime, I'm going to organize all the resources that we are going to need. Pictures like these ones. Obviously we don't have this high quality picture. That will mean that we have to organize our own. In the next video, I'm going to jump straight into the design. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Please do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be notified. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, designer, see you on the next one.